Understanding Situational Leadership, a tale of delegation gone wrong. In this section, we will dive into a real-life story that vividly illustrates the importance of employing situational leadership in delegation. Picture this: a casual curry dinner between friends, one of whom is a managing director with a troubling tale about a project gone awry. Twice. The background story. Meet Dave. Dave, a competent and friendly techie, caught the eye of his managing director for a project that required technical expertise and people skills. A perfect fit, or so it seemed. The boss, eager to delegate, handed Dave the reins of the project and bid him farewell for 6 months. Little did he know this was just the beginning of a delegation disaster. The Delegation Fiasco. Upon closer examination, it became evident that while Dave excelled in technical prowess and interpersonal relations, project management was uncharted territory for him. The boss' decision to delegate without considering Dave's competency in project management proved detrimental. What was needed was a coaching approach, guidance, support, and skill building. To equip Dave for the task at hand. Round 2. The Motivation Misstep. 6 months later, another project surfaced, and Dave was once again the go-to choice. Hoping Dave had gleaned lessons from the previous debacle, the boss attempted to motivate him with a financial incentive, a gamble that backfired spectacularly. Dave's fear of failure overshadowed any monetary motivation, plunging the project into turmoil once more. Lessons learned: applying situational leadership. The narrative of Dave's plight underscores the essence of situational leadership, adapting management style based on individual competency and motivation for each specific situation. It's not about pigeonholing individuals into one leadership category, but rather understanding the unique circumstances at play. Situational leadership, a multidimensional framework. Situational leadership transcends simplistic categorization. It's about recognizing that individuals like Dave exist within various competency and motivational realms, depending on the task at hand. The 4 quadrants. Competent and motivated, top right. Individuals excel in both technical proficiency and enthusiasm. Delegating tasks aligns well with their capabilities, allowing for autonomy and empowerment. 2. Competent but unmotivated, bottom right. Experienced individuals who lack motivation due to boredom or feeling undervalued. Employing an involving leadership style, consulting, seeking input, and expressing gratitude can reignite their passion. 3. Incompetent but motivated, top left. Newbies eager to learn but lacking the necessary skills. A coaching approach, guidance, support, and skill building is crucial to cultivate competence and motivation. 4. Incompetent and unmotivated, bottom left. Individuals struggling with both competency and motivation. Rather than resorting to termination, investing in coaching and training can help bridge the gap and foster growth. Final thoughts. Embracing situational leadership. The tale of Dave's misadventures underscores the paramount importance of applying situational leadership principles in delegation. By tailoring leadership approaches to individual competency and motivation, leaders can empower their teams to achieve success across diverse tasks and projects. So, next time you're faced with a delegation dilemma, remember to assess the situation, adapt your leadership style accordingly, and set your team up for triumph. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, Stay focused and stay productive.